So there are different ways to apologize in French, just as in English. If you want to stop someone in the street, or if you bump into someone accidentally, you'll say excuse me in English. And in French, it works the same way. Excusez-moi, 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 or excuse-moi if you're speaking to someone clearly younger. Excuse-moi, literally, excuse me. You can also say je m'excuse, which sounds a bit more formal. Je m'excuse. So literally, I excuse myself. Je m'excuse. Or even more formal, veuillez m'excuser. Please excuse me. So the two first ones I would personally use when I want to stop someone in the street. Excusez-moi, excuse-moi. Je m'excuse, veuillez m'excuser in a very formal setting. If I'm eating in a banquet, I would say veuillez m'excuser. Please excuse me. And I would leave the room. If you want to apologize for something you did, for a mistake, you can say je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. Or contract it to make it more natural. Je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. If you identify as a woman, add a final E. Je suis désolé. But again, when you say it, it's not going to make a difference. Je suis désolé for both. Or simply sorry. Just like in English, you can say I am sorry, or sorry, you can say désolé. Désolé. With this expression, you can add adverbs that will make it a bit more powerful. Depending on the gravity of the mistake, of what you have to apologize for, you'll have different adverbs to make it stronger. So, I'm really sorry. Je suis vraiment désolé. Vraiment means really or truly. I'm truly sorry. Je suis vraiment désolé. Je suis vraiment désolé. Je suis vraiment désolé. I am sincerely sorry. So sincerely, sincèrement. It's very similar to English. I am sincerely sorry. Je suis sincèrement désolé. Je suis sincèrement désolé. I am deeply sorry. This one might be a bit too intense, but you never know. I'm deeply sorry. I don't want to say very intense things, but if you made a very, very big mistake that's impossible to forgive, then you can still say, I am deeply sorry. Je suis profondément désolé. Je suis profondément désolé. Je suis profondément désolé. So deeply, actually profondément has the same root as the English profound. I'm profoundly sorry. Je suis profondément désolé. You can replace je suis désolé by je suis navré. Je suis navré. It means exactly the same thing, but it sounds a bit more noble. Je suis navré. Je suis désolé, je suis navré. So less people use it. It's not necessarily stronger. It's exactly the same thing in terms of meaning. Forgive me. Pardonnez-moi. Pardonnez-moi. Pardonne-moi in the two form. Pardonnez-moi. Pardonne-moi. Pardonne-moi. Pardonnez-moi, je vous en supplie. Forgive me, I beg you. Pardonnez-moi, je vous en supplie. I ask for forgiveness. I ask for forgiveness. Je vous demande pardon. Je vous demande pardon. So this is similar to je suis vraiment désolé. Je vous demande pardon. So there are two ways of saying pretty much the same thing. Je vous demande pardon. If you really want to insist on the apology, you can actually say both at the same time. Je suis vraiment désolé. Je vous demande pardon. Je suis désolé is more how you feel. I am sorry. Actually, it's the same in English. You feel sorry, so you ask for forgiveness. So if you want to put the whole thing together, you made a mistake, you want to show how you feel about it, and you want to ask for forgiveness, that would be the proper procedure. Sorry, you can say pardon or désolé. I know in English we can say pardon, but it's when you want someone to repeat because you didn't get the sentence. Or sometimes there is the expression, pardon my French, so please forgive my French. Pardonnez mon langage. Forgive my language. Excusez-moi, if you want to stop someone in the street. Excusez-moi, c'est où pour aller à Paris? How can I go to Paris? Excuse me. Excusez-moi. Pardon, I'm sorry, or désolé. Or if you want to show how you feel, je suis désolé, or je suis navré. And more politely, veuillez m'excuser, je suis vraiment désolé, je vous demande pardon. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. Merci et à bientôt. Thank you and see you soon.